Hi, I'm Denis Weber, Mayor of the City of Agoura Hills, and I'm here again to share some exciting and important updates with respect to the COVID-19 vaccines and other information. The first question is, what tier is LA County currently in? Well, as of April the 5th, LA County officially moved into the orange tier, and many businesses in town have been allowed to increase their capacity to accept more patrons. For example, restaurants can now have indoor capacity of 50% or 200 people, whichever is less. Fitness centers can operate indoor at 25% capacity. Places of worship can hold services indoors at 50% capacity. Hair salons, barbershops, and other personal care services can increase their capacity to 75% with masks required, and grocery and retail stores can increase their capacity to 75%. Other areas that have been allowed to operate with modifications include movie theaters, family entertainment centers, museums, zoos, and card rooms. This is great news as it shows we're moving in the right direction. Let's remember to still wear our masks and follow the social distance and safety measures that have been recommended by the county health officer. Another question that comes up, who is eligible to get the vaccines now? The county continues to be in the Phase 1A and Phase 1B category, but more categories have been added. Persons eligible to receive a vaccine are healthcare workers, staff, and residents at skilled nursing facilities, emergency workers, LA County residents that are 50 years old and older, people with serious health conditions or disabilities and their caregivers, persons working in education and child care, persons working in food and agricultural, or persons that live or work in congregate living spaces, janitorial, custodial, maintenance service workers, and persons working in transportation and logistics. On April 15th, all persons aged 16 and older will be able to receive the vaccine. Information now about the vaccine clinics in Agoura Hills. The city of Agoura Hills has recently joined forces with local agencies and neighboring cities to do its part in the fight against the COVID-19 crisis. I'm happy to report that this past week, the city of Agoura Hills, in conjunction with the County of Los Angeles and Fulgent Genetics Laboratory, was able to host a vaccination clinic at the Recreation and Events Center. The clinic started Monday, April 5th, and concluded on Thursday, April 8th. This 4-day clinic provided free vaccines for seniors ages 50 years and older and persons with underlying health conditions. Over 800 vaccines were provided to our residents and as well as folks in several surrounding communities. I want to extend a thank you to our CERT volunteers who assisted with parking at the event. The city was glad to partner with the county to provide a critical resource to those looking to receive a vaccine. I'm also excited to announce that the city of Agoura Hills will be partnering with the cities of Calabasas, Hidden Hills, and Westlake Village to host another vaccination clinic for the community at large. The 4 cities COVID-19 vaccination clinic will be held at the Agoura Hills Calabasas Community Center on Friday, April the 16th, and will run from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The clinic will be open to all persons ages 16 and older. Persons can register at the link shown on the screen. They can also go to the city's website for registration information. We're also pushing out the event information flyer on our social media platforms. Now for information about the LA Regional COVID Fund, personal care, and retail. Many of our businesses need assistance as a result of this pandemic. LA County has partnered with the Local Initiative Support Corporation, or LISC, to distribute $4.7 million in grants to help personal care and the retail sector, small businesses impacted by COVID-19. $10,000 grants are available under this program. The application period started on April 4th and will remain open until April 11th at midnight. Interested businesses should visit lacovidfund.org to apply. Grant winners will be chosen through an online randomized application system. Also, I want to give you some information about the Canal Valley Relief Business Fund. As mentioned in my past updates, the Canal Valley Small Business Relief Fund has been established by the Greater Canal Valley Chamber of Commerce and is a foundation in partnership with the cities of Thousand Oaks, Westlake Village, and Agoura Hills. The fund will provide grants to local small businesses as they navigate the financial impacts of COVID-19. To be eligible for funding, applicant organizations must be a small business with under 25 employees and work in the Canal Valley. The company has to be substantially impacted by COVID-19. The company has to have been in operation for over 1 year. And the applications will go to the Greater Canal Valley Community Foundation and be accepted and reviewed on an ongoing basis. The maximum grant is currently $2,500. Applications can be filed by visiting thecanalchamber.org. Here's some more information about the California COVID-19 rent relief. This rent relief program is a state program that provides financial assistance to income-qualified renters who experience housing instability. If you're an income-eligible renter who has experienced a financial hardship due to COVID-19 and have past due rent, or if you're a landlord who has experienced a loss in income because of unpaid rent, you may be eligible to get financial assistance now through the California COVID Rent Relief Program. This program provides rent reimbursement to landlords for unpaid rent accrued between April 1st, 2020 and March 31st, 2021. Landlords are eligible to receive 80% of rent as long as they agree to waive the remaining 20% of the unpaid rent. To verify eligibility and apply, visit housingiskey.com or call 833-430-2122. Once again, I want to say thanks for using common sense, being concerned for your neighbors while shopping or eating out, and simply doing your part to get us past this pandemic. As a reminder, while we are starting to see many people get the vaccine, the County of Los Angeles Health Department and our health officer is strongly encouraging people to continue to remain vigilant, follow the safety protocols established, wear a mask, and limit our interactions and travel. The virus is still very active and present, and we do not want to stop our recovery process that's underway. On April 6th, the state announced that California could fully reopen on June 16th if enough vaccine supplies are available to those 16 years old and older and hospitalization rates remain stable. The light at the end of the tunnel is getting bigger. So let's all do our part not to stop this process. Keep positive, stay happy, and God bless you all.